Okay. Start.
Okay, ako magbabasa. Okay. Play. Keep that beat going. Go. Okay, ako mag-read. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. You and your friends are on a trip. Your car and your car engine stops. Shut up, bro. You go to a resort for shelter.
And the doors slowly.
And now you must escape. Mission. Your mission is to escape the resort. The first objective is to break 5 crosses and then escape from the resort. Rules: do not no clip unless you're stuck. Use crowbar and flashlight. Give us a crowbar. Break the devil's crosses. I think we should do that. Oh. Whoa.
Uy!
Okay guys, I'm back.
Ah!
Ganit. Okay.
Nagulat talaga ako.
Whoa! Whoa!
Wow,
Scared.
dude.
Bala kayo dyan.
Bloody diarrhea, bro. Bloody diarrhea.
Uy! Uy!
Oh, what the hell?
Hindi pa tayo na-explore, bro.
Ito,
yun?
look.
Toto, Nathan, asan ka? Ano namin yung first cross?
Asan kayo?
Kain mo.
Wait lang, ito na salita. Bro, why did you do
Ikaw.
it?
Wala na ano.
Okay, let's go.
Ano yun? Sirahin mo ngayon.
Oh. Whoa!
Is that lobotomy? Is this lobotomy?
Great.
Is this what getting lobotomized feels like?
Oh!
Okay, natakot ako doon. Bryce, come!
Yes.
Not this shit. Bro, where the fuck are you?
Ito.
Sa likod, saan kayo?
Let's start.
Bruh. Napunta ko na dyan. Dito yun. Nakita yun, may nakita ko dito.
Okay, let's go.
Something new, something
Yeah.
revolutionary. Ay, mali dito.
Go. Lead the way.
He's coming us.
Ito.
Gagi na lito ako dun ah. Baba.
Wow!
Uy!
Uy.
Okay, I'm scared.
Uy. Gonna crash the fuck out. The cross! Break the cross!
Down. Run out. Hindi.
Mali!
Puzzle na to eh.
Northwest, east, south.
South. Righteous man whose heart rots in
North.
south.
West, east, south. Mali.
Seriously.
Wait lang. If my calculations are correct, it should be west. Stop. West, south. No. West. Stop. West. Stop it.
Upo tayo.
West. South. Northeast. Northwest. Middle.
We're so smart!
Yes! 1 million IQ.
Oh shit! Cross!
Ew.
Next group. Look, button. Oh, narinig ko.
Buksan na to. Ba't may baby?
Okay, that was scary.
Bro, where are you, bro? Where are you? Bryce, come here.
Baby, and send the baby. Where's the baby?
Baby here.
Kill
The baby.
The baby!
Oh, the baby's the baby! Get the baby!
Uy. Sa cabin na ata tayo.
Kaya nga. Maraming bak.
Nice! Uy, nakita.
Yun.
Uy. The hell?
Ate, nandito tayo kanina. Di nasa taas natin kanina.
Oh.
May satanic shit.
Oh.
Get it. Nandito yung last. Nandito yung last, Bryce.
Nahulog.
Murder.
Kunin natin.
Kasya ka dyan.
Asan kayo? The hell?
Nagulat si Bryce. Paunahan nyo nga si Bryce.
Kasya kayo dito. Ayan.
Bro,
Let's go. Iwan na natin si Nathan. I'm so scary.
pwede nata ito buksan.
Hindi
Bawal
pa
pa.
eh. Wait lang.
Ah!
Kasi na yun. Wait. Baka di may baby. Baka di may baby. Sige nga, wait lang. Siya yung baby. Baka di yung
Kung
baby.
saan yun nilagay yung baby?
Palag.
Ayun o, nandito lang.
Baka kailangan natin yan sa... Paano yung hinahawak?
Sacrifice.
Yes,
Sacrifice.
Oli me.
Wala.
Uy, nawala.
Wala. Ay, ano ba naman yan? Ito ko!
Ayun.
Yun yung huli.
Ba, nakatago pa lang. Fucking bitch.
Uwi na tayo, Bryce.
Yan na.
Huh?
Ay, ito.
Yes!
Yeah!
Let's go!
Lo!
Run! Oh, kabila! Ito kayo dito sa spawn kung mamamatay kayo.
B8.
Naka-split up pa kayo?
Oo.
B8.
Uy!
B8.
D3. Eh, paano to? Walang number.
May mga safe zone. Yung mga puta safe zone.
Ay!
Yung mga puta safe zone sila. Yung kayo, wait lang, hintayin niyo ako.
B8.
It was at this moment he knew he fucked up.
Ay! Budas! B8.
Stop tayo sa butas.
Ayun! D5. B8. D5.
Uy! Christ! Woo!
Okay, go.
Bawat letter, bawat font, D3, D8, D5, D3. Ulang!
Oh!
Ano ko yun eh?
Bryce,
D8.
balik ka, Bryce! Mo!
No!
Run!
D8.
Hindi yan dadaan, paikot lang yung monster. Hindi yan dadaan yung monster. Diyan na, bro!
Ikot ako. Ayun. Ayun, bobo siya, bobo.
Why hindi yan nakakabol? Andyan na!
Ha?
Ay, zero. So yung first letter, yung first zero, numerical order.
Okay.
I think alphabetical order. Left or right?
Both.
Left.
Yeah!
Ako yung mastermind ngayon. Ako yung mastermind.
Masturbator.
Yes.
Ano?
Oh!
Wow!
He did it!
Let's go! Let's go, guys.
Hello.
Yes, happy Halloween. It's definitely October right now. It's definitely
Yes, yes,
October. Ano yung last jump scare?
Wala na.
Minsan, no click tayo sa likod ng wall.